Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on how to match a secondary course to a CTAG course, or CTAN. To create a match, you should have first submitted a course prior to completing this step. This segment will cover submissions that are eligible to use certificates of affirmation. Remember, courses that can be submitted using the affirmation form are identified in the CTAG course descriptions document. Course submissions requiring a full review are covered in a different tutorial. This step may also be referred to as creating a match. Matching the course you previously created in CEMS to the aligned CTAG course is the next step in submitting a CTAG course to be approved. In this video, you will complete the process of creating a match for your secondary course. Once the Ohio Department of Higher Education has reviewed your course submission for accuracy and verified it's been matched to the correct CTAG course in CEMS, it will be approved for statewide articulated credit. Let's get started. At this point, you should have already created or identified the course you will use for this match. Navigate to the website here. Choose Credit Transfer, then click CEMS Support from the right-hand side menu. Click the login icon, then enter your username and password. Once logged in, click on the Matches tab. The Matches screen will show you a complete list of all your matches your institution has submitted. You can hover over the match status to see whether a match is approved, submitted to your coordinator, in draft status, or some other status. If the padlock icon is unlocked, you can edit the match. If it is locked, it means the match cannot be edited. Click on the blue Create a New CTAG Match button in the top right corner to create a new CTAG match. You will begin with entering the term the course was first taught. This includes a 4-digit year and the term, spring, summer, or fall. This must match the same start term you entered when you created the course. If you have an expiration term when the course will no longer be offered, you may enter that date. Otherwise, leave the end term blank. Next, choose Match by Specific CTAN. A CTAN is a specific course in a CTAG area. Scroll through the CTAN list and choose the one that is associated with the match you are creating. In this case, I'm going to use criminal justice as an example for the matching process. Scrolling down shows me the learning outcomes for the CTAN selected if I want to review them before proceeding. Select the Next button to proceed. Next, we choose whether we are matching by a CT program or a secondary course. Because we are creating a match for an EMIS course we created, we're going to choose Course. A list of all the courses you or someone at your institution has entered in the system will be shown. Select the course you created earlier to match with this CTAN. You can use the arrow to move the course to the right column and make it a part of the match. If it's on the left, it is not matched. If it is on the right, it's a part of the match. You can add as many courses as needed to be a part of a match. For example, in a criminal justice match, there are several EMIS courses that are needed to match up with the criminal justice CTAN. Click on the Next button. You can use the back button to go back to the previous step. Remember, do not use the back button on your browser as this will erase saved information. The next step is to enter information for the learning outcomes. Because we're using a certificate of affirmation, there is no need to provide detailed learning outcome descriptions. To complete each learning outcome description, simply enter the text, "See Affirmation Form." You can copy and paste to save time, but this text should be entered into each of the learning outcomes before moving on. The final step is to review a summary of the information you have entered before submitting the match to your institutional coordinator. You can save your work as a draft if there is more information to enter, or if you're finished, click Save and submit to institutional coordinator. Once either option is clicked, a screen confirmation will appear. Your course has now been submitted. Thank you for viewing this video, and contact Ohio Department of Higher Education staff if you have questions.